Day and aloha, everyone. My name is Josefa Muñoz, and I am originally from the island of Guam. Right now, I am living my dream as a University of Hawaii at Manoa marine biology PhD student because I get to study what I love, and that is my island's green sea turtles. And in the Tsumoru language, we refer to the sea turtle as hagen. And hagen, I'm so interested in them because they live such colorful, complex lives. For example, they have two homes, they have a feeding area and a nesting area, and oftentimes they'll migrate 2,000 to close to 4,000 kilometers between these areas. And so because I am a nosy biologist and I want to know as much as I can about my island's green sea turtles, I am collaborating with NOAA Fisheries to deploy satellite tags like you see here on these nesting females, and that will give me their precise locations. And from these satellite tags, I will obtain information on the in-water habitats that they use the most and use them to determine the migration paths that they use to get to their feeding areas. And right now we're finding that these feeding areas are in the Western Pacific. And it's so important that we know all of this information so that we can determine the in-water habitats that may need more protection for the preservation of the species. And it's also important to know that these green sea turtles are listed as endangered under the Endangered Species Act. And right now we only have about 15 to 25 individuals that nest per year. So we have a very small population, very remnant population. And so we need to study them and learn more about them and also understand the threats that they may encounter. And to complicate things further, we suspect that there may be more females than males in the population. And because of this, I'm also interested in studying the love lives of these sea turtles. So for example, I want to determine if they have one or many mates and also to count how many successful parents you have in the population. Overall, these sea turtles are so important for Guam's environment because, for example, the nesting females, they will bring nutrients from the ocean when they crawl onto the beach to nest, and this will help the beach vegetation. And also, they are very important for the Tsumoru culture. And so by learning about these species and by helping to preserve them, I'm also helping to preserve this one part of my Tsumoru culture. And so with that, I'd like to send a big Masi thank you to the ARCS Foundation for supporting this research. I'm so honored to have been selected for this award. Thank you so much, and thank you for listening.